The Human Rights Program at UVA Law is really an umbrella organization that covers the different human rights opportunities here. It includes the speaker series that we have that runs throughout the year. It includes the Human Rights Study Project, pro bono opportunities, and also potential summer internship opportunities.
We have classes on international law and human rights, like the International Human Rights Law Clinic, International Human Rights Law, Refugee Law. They also have the option to do experiential learning with the clinic and the Human Rights Study Project.
The Human Rights Study Project is this discrete opportunity for a group of law students each year. It's a year-long course that lets students take a deep dive into human rights issues in a specific country. This year we went to Nepal, but past years have gone to Myanmar, Cuba, Zambia, and Colombia, amongst many others.
We see human rights issues every single day. They come in many different forms. It's just very interesting to see how difficult it is to solve human rights issues, whether it's attribution problems, who do you sue, is it too late to sue, what do you do about a genocide when there's so many victims. There's a lot of complex topics within international human rights law. I wanted to take this course to kind of focus more on those complex issues and learn as much as I can.
Just the opportunity to be closer to the reality, to try to feel how people would feel with all of these challenges with the daily life.
I think it was very interesting to see the content and classwork that we worked on in class for a semester kind of come to life and kind of just gave us insight and general insight on the kind of work that human rights lawyers do.
We're trying to train the human rights leaders of tomorrow. What we are trying to do is to bring to the classroom all of the challenges and the limitations and the debates of the field in order to prepare our students to be the ones that are shaping the human rights field for the decades to come.